Welcome everyone back to Mr. Weather Updates. Now I hope you had a very nice Christmas from yesterday. Now it's Boxing Day, we're going to go back to weather forecasts as I was off for about 2 days. So looking at the radar, I can see here being widely cloudy. It's been quite mild actually yesterday for Christmas. As you guys know, got 12-13 degrees from yesterday. But may clear up in some areas, but mostly dry. I've got an area of high pressure, but unless most of the wet conditions in the north, you can see here plenty of showers here in the far north of Scotland. Otherwise, most areas are dry, but mostly cloudy anyway. Temperatures a little bit above average, really. I don't know why it's saying it's a little bit colder. Maybe the temperatures are decreasing, but still a little bit above average for the time of year. Now looking at the UKV, we can see got that Vaquero cloud. Maybe some areas in the east will clear up a little bit, but most of the showers in Scotland for now. On to Friday, you can see here thick cloud cover still in all areas. I'm not going to see much sun at all, unfortunately. There will be a few clear spells in the morning for on Saturday for Scotland though, because you can see here during Saturday we are going to get a few clear spells onto Sunday, but a new cloud pulls in during that spell. Now on Monday, you can see here looking a little really quickly, looking really a little bit more unsettled. Sorry, looking at the radar anyway. Just for start of Tuesday, you can see here looking quite unsettled. We have heavy rain, but we also have a lot of snow, especially in Scotland. This could move down. This is showing a little bit more of a sign of colder spells coming, as you can see there. Now, if you can see, the temperatures are slightly decreased from yesterday, still a bit above average, really. You can still see 10 degrees in some areas. Friday, it looks a little bit cool. Well, still could see 10 degrees again. High single digits and 10 degrees is possible. If you go on to Saturday, again 10 degrees in some areas, but mostly single digits in the south this time, in fact, where we get most of the warm air. Sunday, well, we're going to see again a little bit above average, 10, 11 in the far south, with high single digits to 10 degrees in most areas. We'll get a last band of milder air with 11, 10 degrees, not in all areas, still could see quite mild conditions. But we are seeing a sign of maybe colder conditions to come. You can see here, as it starts up there, we'll be able to see this from the GFS here, how a cold spell trying to push in. You can see here just over there, as that is going to be taking in play for the start of the new year. We'll be able to see that a little bit more clearer on the temperature gradient. We're getting very cold colours, in fact, at the start of there. May turn a little bit warmer for a time, but it's still winning over, really. If I'm thinking about it, it is quite a intense area. And even in getting to 8th of January, still have this area of cold air, which is lasting for, well, most of the time. So looking very cold actually for the start of January. So we could see, well, a few brief mild spells, but looking cold start for January 2025. So you can see here, just there. So thank you for watching. I'm going to see you in the next video.